Hey guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to safely and effectively clean your AirPods and AirPod case using the RevJams Professional Cleaning Kit. This cleaning kit will not only help keep your AirPods and case clean, but will also help ensure that they work the way they were intended and extend the overall life of your AirPods. First, remove your AirPods from the charging case. Now we will begin with the anti-static brush. Use this brush to remove surface dirt from the case and charging port and to remove stubborn dirt from the earbud screens. Be careful to not use force when cleaning the screens because you can easily damage them. Next, we will use the soft bristle brush with our specially formulated cleaning spray. This brush and spray will help clean and remove dirt from the surface as well as in hard-to-reach areas. Use the cotton swab with our spray for extra detailed cleaning, including detailing the earbud screens. We use the microfiber cloth to polish off all the remaining dirt. And we end off with the antibacterial cloth. And there you go. AirPods are clean and function like new. We hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Check out our other AirPod accessories and cleaning products for other audio devices.